Welcome back, financial enthusiasts, to another episode of Financial Mastery. Today, we're diving deep into the world of zero-based budgeting, or ZBB, a powerful financial tool that can transform your financial life. Say goodbye to budgeting guesswork, because we're about to embark on an in-depth exploration of zero-based budgeting. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Understanding zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting represents a meticulous departure from traditional budgeting practices. It involves creating a budget from scratch for each financial period, starting with a financial baseline of zero. In contrast to conventional approaches that often carry forward previous budgets with minor tweaks, ZBB imposes a strict requirement: every expense must be justified and approved anew for each budget cycle. This methodology finds relevance in both individual and corporate financial contexts due to its capacity to promote cost efficiency, precise resource allocation, and a culture of financial rigor. The zero-based budgeting process. 1. Identification of income. The initial step involves meticulously identifying all income sources for the upcoming budgeting period. This encompasses a comprehensive array of revenue streams, including employment income, rental revenues, investment dividends, and other financial inflows. 2. Enumeration of expenses. The second stage entails a comprehensive list of all expenses, encompassing both fixed example mortgage or rent payments and variables example groceries, entertainment, utility bills expenditures. 3. Categorization of expenses. Expenses are systematically categorized into distinct groups, facilitating a structured budget representation. These categories may include housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. 4. Allocation of dollar amounts. Each expense category is assigned a specific dollar amount, commencing from a baseline of zero. This crucial step necessitates providing a reasoned rationale for every expense, with allocations guided by financial priorities and necessities. 5. Assessment and prioritization. A comprehensive assessment of each expense category follows, with priority assigned to essential outlays such as housing, utilities, and groceries. Fund allocation aligns with these fundamental financial imperatives, with discretionary expenditures like dining out or entertainment considered only after essential financial needs are met. 6. Continuous oversight and adjustment. Ongoing monitoring of expenditure against the allocated budget is pivotal. Overspending in one category may necessitate compensatory reductions in others. Periodic reviews and necessary adjustments are instrumental for adhering to the budget and exercising fiscal prudence. Pros and cons of zero-based budgeting. Pros. Exemplary financial control. ZBB enhances financial awareness and accountability for every financial transaction, fostering robust financial discipline. Cost mitigation. By scrutinizing expense necessity, ZBB identifies cost-cutting opportunities, enhancing resource allocation efficiency. Optimal resource allocation. ZBB ensures that financial resources are judiciously directed toward paramount financial goals, whether it be debt reduction, savings accumulation, or investment diversification. Adaptability. The agility of ZBB permits swift budget adjustments in response to shifting financial circumstances, such as income fluctuations or unforeseen expenditures. Cons. Time-intensive. ZBB's meticulous nature requires more time compared to conventional budgeting methods, as each expense demands careful assessment. Complexity. Managing multiple expense categories may introduce complexity for entities or individuals. Rigidity. Those who prefer a more flexible budgeting approach may find ZBB less accommodating for handling unanticipated expenses or accommodating lifestyle changes. Who should use zero-based budgeting? 1. Businesses. Zero-based budgeting is extensively employed by organizations seeking to optimize cost structures, refine resource allocation, and strengthen financial control. It is particularly advantageous for entities aiming to streamline operations and reduce unnecessary expenses. 2. Individuals with specific objectives. ZBB is ideally suited for individuals with precise financial objectives, such as debt repayment, saving for significant purchases, or expanding investment portfolios. It serves as a potent mechanism for directing resources toward these specific financial goals. 3. Aspiring financial disciplinarians. Those aspiring to cultivate heightened financial discipline will find ZBB to be a potent instrument. It compels greater scrutiny of spending decisions and serves as an effective deterrent against impulsive expenditure. In summary, zero-based budgeting constitutes a meticulous budgeting approach that requires a fresh start with each budgeting cycle, ensuring that every dollar is judiciously allocated. Its potency lies in its capacity to optimize finances, refine cost management, and prioritize financial goals. While it demands more time and attention than conventional budgeting methods, the benefits of bolstered financial control and resource allocation often outweigh the associated challenges. Before we conclude, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our financial insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey to master zero-based budgeting.